Okay, go ahead.
Tomorrow, things are gone. I work for all my life, and I had to start again, which is my children and my life. Sing my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American. Well, at least I know I'm free. I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I'll gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt, I love to say, God bless the USA.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
I'm not making my bubbles.
You got any more songs you want to sing?
No, that's it.
Okay, say bye everybody in TV land.
Bye.
You got to look in the camera.
Bye.